What's up guys? This is Simon. I got the Life Q30 by SoundCore. Now I've tested the Life Q20. That is on my channel here. You could check out the Q20. The Q30 is supposed to step it up. Today I'm gonna go ahead and see if the Q30 noise canceling headphones are what people say they are. These are made by Anker. Anker produces some great quality products. I have some of their batteries. I had some of their battery charging cases, etc. They're a big brand, and Life Q30 is supposedly a very good over-the-ear headphone comparison to some of the best brands out there. Now, these feature 40-hour playtime, transparency mode, noise canceling, fast pairing. I'm excited. 5-minute charge will give you 4 hours of playtime. Let's see how this thing does. Let's get this unboxed, paired, and I'll listen to some music, give you my feedback. Before I do that, the biggest favor you could do for us is subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It shows us some appreciation for all the hard work we put into these videos. We purchase these products with our own money, and we get to review them and give you our honest opinions. Also, check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. It's a ma and pa site that we're working on, and we love your support. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so the SoundCore Q30, this is it, folks. This is pretty much what we've been waiting for. You've got multi-mode noise cancellation. That means microphones are working to cancel out the noise. 40-hour playtime. The box looks very nice. High-res sound. Here's some pictures of people loving it in the back of the box for transportation, indoor use, outdoor use. 5-minute charge, 4-hour playtime, built-in mics, multiple microphones to give you that quality sound and touch transparency mode. So let's get this unboxed. There's a little gap here which you could cut off as well. As I've done that, this is probably the best thing that I love doing is removing shrink wrap. It's like on Christmas Eve. All right, so we unbox it like so, and really nice case. That's all that's included, and a manual in that box. This reminds me of a Bose cover. Feels really good. It's got a nice dark gray to it. The zipper feels really well. I mean, this is quality stuff. You hear that? This doesn't pop out, but it looks like it's not coming off. The SoundCore name, SoundCore. I love the name of it, by Anker again. Let's get into what's in the manual. A lot of people say, hey, I lost my manual. Of course, you could go online, or you could just watch me. Now, this is a quick start guide. Very simple to use. You got your left and right, obviously. The mic, the noise canceling's on the left, it looks like. A USB-C charger. You got your play and pause button on the right. A volume up button on the right as well. And you hold it for 1 second. It looks like it does something. It doesn't say what it is, I guess. Wait a minute, this is in a different language. Let me flip it over. What the heck? All right, what's going on here, guys? Oh, it wasn't in a different language. I'm a goof. Yeah, see, here you go. Press and hold for 1 second. All right, that was a big mess up. I hope it makes either the blooper reel, or you could leave it in the original, because that was a goof moment. As I do these live, you're getting authentic as you would get it. Anyway, I don't think this would be a problem using it. It should pair very easily. So let's get into it, and I'll describe the pause, play buttons, etc. Let's look at the product. Very nice design. Wow. In fact, this looks very similar to Bose or the Sony WH-1000XM4s. You could see those reviews on my channel. You have this nice cushioning here as well. You probably would want to leave that. Now, although it pops out, and you could just pop them in if you're not too worried about your headphones getting a little scratched up, etc. Which I don't think they will. There's some cushioning here as well that doesn't come off. You could peel it off. I'm going to leave that in there. And there's a little indicator of how to put them back in. So that's basically it right here. The left and the right supposed to slip in like so. All right, then you have this little pouch, this magic pouch. The magic pouch contains cables for direct wire listening, the auxiliary cable, and then a USB-A to a USB-C for charging. It's very small. I'm gonna put these back in the magic pouch and get this out of the way. I do love the case. I will say I love the case. Yeah, all right. Let's get these guys opened up. So you got a left and right indicator. They feel really good. I mean, this feels like a high quality product, guys. You know, active noise cancellation, they're advertising that on each side. You got the nice gold in the black. I love black and gold colors. Left and right indicator. The ear cushions feel well. Now, touch for transparency for 1 second. Oh no, the tape. Oh, I'm gonna get it. So you're supposed to touch for transparency for 1 second here. That's pretty cool. All right. Now on the bottom of each pause, so this is the right, so you got your pause and play right here. You have your volume up and down. You have your auxiliary for your direct wiring. You have your USB charging, and then you have the noise canceling right there. So you would press that on, and this is obviously the power button. So you would press the power button. Now it starts lighting up and you're going into pairing mode. We're gonna go ahead and get now we got the app in pairing mode. We should see the Q30s popping up right there. Yes, we do, the SoundCore Life Q30s, and they're paired. It's that easy. Let me put these on my head, let you know how they feel. Oh wow, they feel amazing, guys. There is a good cuppage around my ear. It's not too tight. You know, it's right now it's switched to transparency mode because it hears me talking. I love it, so it's auto detecting that. Let's go ahead and play a rap song as I normally do for you bass lovers. You got your volume controls here. I could turn it up or turn it down. You know, I got the pause and play right there as well. So, and then on this mode, you have your noise canceling. So right now I'm on noise canceling. The noise canceling works really good. These guys are excellent in my opinion for the price, okay? So far, so good. They feel good. They feel like they could stay on. It's not as tight. So like if I was like jumping, there's some movement there. However, overall, they're pretty good. Good cuppage, very soft cup. Pressing them in, I do hear air deflate. You know, you got transparency mode by tapping and holding for a second is what they say. And let's see if that's the case. So let's see. All right. No. Let's see if I can turn off noise canceling. Okay, here's normal. Transparency. Okay, so transparency mode works just with a simple tap like this. It's pretty neat. I love it. You could turn it off by obviously having a tap and hold. It goes to normal mode. Transparency mode again is on by just holding the right side of your headphone. Now it doesn't work on the left side, so if you push and hold on the left side, you get nothing. I'm in transparency mode. The right side, however, will switch it back to normal, and then you got your noise canceling button on the left, your volumes on the right, and also your pause and play. So again, we're gonna go into a rap song here, and we're gonna bump it. We're gonna make sure that we're getting a good bass to judge the bass on this headphone. And if you're if you're looking for bass, I'm gonna let you know exactly how it is, if it's great or not. All right. Oh, here we go. I'm excited. The song is starting. Yeah. Oh, the bass is very good. The bass is clear. It's very good. I'm gonna turn on noise canceling as well. Oh man, these SoundCore Q30s. Okay, so these are awesome. Now, if you take them off, they still play. However, they sound excellent, and the noise canceling so good I can't even hear myself talk. The volume is great. I'm gonna turn it up. Oh man, these are good, man. These are, oh yeah, I'm at, okay, so these are really good. I would actually like them to be a little bit louder. However, you could always set the limits on your iPhone to raise your louder. I mean, these are loud, guys. I love it. I recommend these. Okay, enough fun time. You've seen how happy I was on my face just listening to these SoundCore Q30s. They are quality, people. I would personally rock these let's see how they sound with something with more acoustics and maybe a country song or something like that. Okay, let's try this out. Now I am in transparency mode again. It sounds great. I could hear myself talk. When I had the noise canceling on, I couldn't hear anything. I was so into that song. It was incredible. All right, here's the noise canceling. I mean, I'm playing such a good song right now. It's a classic by Christopher Cross. So I'm playing a great song right now, as you can see here. Oh my God. The mids are good. The lows are good. The bass is perfect. It's not too much. It's just perfect. Comment below if you have the Q30s. These are amazing. I want to know your opinion. Wow. Okay, folks. I am in love with these. I don't just like them. I love them. I've reviewed so many headphones from the Bose 700s to the 1000XM4s. I think these Q30s can compete. They have a great case. They feel comfortable. There's a good little comfort vinyl on top. The cushions feel great. This looks like a high quality product and it sounds amazing. With 40-hour battery life, it is incredible. All right, these guys are $79.99, which is like half or a third of the price of some of the best headphones out there. You can check out my reviews on the channel, from the AirPod Max to, you know, the Bose 700s, the QC35s, the 1000XM3s, 1000XM4s. I've done it all on the channel. These are $79.99. Now, they come in 3 colors. Black, which is featured and probably the most popular, the blues, and the pink color. But they sound amazing. As I mentioned, the hybrid noise canceling filtered out a lot of the background noise. I really truly felt that I was immersed in the sound. These are excellent. The transparency mode, I made a phone call with these Q30s and they were great. So I could hear myself talk. You could actually use these for calls and you could use them for your audiobooks. The microphones do pick up all the outside sound and they adjust for the active noise canceling, which is incredible. There are 3 modes for noise canceling. There's transport mode, which is like airplane mode, where there's a lot of muffled sound that it filters out. There's the outdoor noise canceling mode, which kind of reduces the wind noise, the automotive cars, you know, driving by and so forth, anything that's outside, maybe even chatter. So it cancels that out, which is incredible. And then the indoor noise canceling, it just dampens the sound, really takes out everything else around you out, softens everything, and really gets you immersed in the sound. And I felt that here. Again, 40-hour battery life, are you kidding? That's incredible. 5-hour charge for 4 hours of playtime. Can't beat that. These are comfortable, they're lightweight, they're incredible. I hope you check these out. There's a link in the description. $79.99. You got my money. I would buy these SoundCore Life Q30s. Way better than the Q20s and just incredible in terms of quality. And you will not see me say that often for the price. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and check out techvisibility.com. check out my other headphone reviews. These would get my money in comparison to some of the bigger brands. They are built well. Let me know in the comments if you have these and if you love these. Check you guys here in the next video.